Are you struggling to create separate spaces in your home or office? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Sonali No Drill Room Divider. The Sonali No Drilling Curtain Rod, priced at $39.99. What caught my attention is its innovative no-drill installation, making it a perfect choice for renters. If you want a simple way to create privacy without damaging walls, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable height ranges from 4 to 10 feet, and the width can extend from 28 to 114 inches. This flexibility means you can customize it to fit your unique space, whether it's a small studio apartment or a larger living area. Plus, it's made of durable stainless steel that can hold up to 45 pounds, so you can use heavy curtains without worry. With over 2,000 units sold last month, it's clear that many people trust this product. Now, some people complained that the lack of included curtains was disappointing. Here's the thing though, it lets you choose your own style so you can match your decor perfectly. If you're someone who likes to personalize your space, that's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you live in a rental and need a temporary solution. Skip this one if you're looking for a fully enclosed space, since it's not a solid wall. Overall, it's a great value for the flexibility it offers. Now, if the need for included curtains was a deal breaker for you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Home Screener Folding Room Divider. We have the Home Screener Portable Room Divider, priced at $56.99. This caught my eye because of its 4-panel design, which can really help create distinct areas. If you want a modern look that's easy to move, this is definitely worth considering. The structure is made of a sturdy steel frame with powder coating, so it's not only stylish but also built to last. Each panel is crafted from 240G polyester, which means it's thick enough to provide real privacy while being easy to clean. This is especially great for shared spaces like offices or apartments, where you might want some quiet time to focus. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's a popular choice. However, I did notice some complaints about the folding mechanism being a bit stiff at first. But here's the thing. After a few uses, it loosens up and becomes much easier to maneuver. If you're someone who doesn't mind a little initial effort for a beautiful divider, it's not a major con. This is perfect for anyone wanting a portable solution that looks good in any setting. Skip this if you need something more permanent, as it's designed to be easily stored when not in use. For the price, you're getting a solid multi-use divider. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing privacy. Product number 3, Sonali Adjustable Curtain Rod. The Sonali Adjustable Curtain Rod is another no-drill option that's fantastic for quick space separation. What surprised me was its lightweight design, making it super easy to install. This divider offers an adjustable height of 4 to 10 feet and can be extended from 28 to 70 inches wide. Perfect for those tricky spaces where you need a bit of privacy but don't want a permanent wall. Plus, it boasts a solid weight capacity of 45 pounds, meaning you can hang heavier curtains without any issues. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's gaining traction. One downside is that, like its sibling product, it doesn't come with curtains. But honestly, this gives you the freedom to choose whatever fabric fits your style and needs. If you're someone who likes to express themselves through decor, this allows total creativity. This is great for renters or anyone who frequently rearranges their space. Skip this if you're looking for something that adds sound insulation, as it won't completely block out noise. For what you pay, it's a fantastic, flexible option. Now, if you're looking for something a bit... Product number 4, Rantila Large Panel Room Divider. We have the Rantila Single Large Panel Room Divider priced at $35.99. I was drawn to its simple, sleek design that can fit perfectly in any space. If you want something that's easy to move and store, this one is worth a look. This divider is lightweight and made from high-density polyethylene, which means it's durable and easy to clean. The fact that it's UV protected means it won't fade over time, maintaining its fresh look. Measuring 71 by 69.5 inches, it offers decent coverage without overwhelming your space. It's also received over 500 sales recently, indicating that people find it useful. However, some users mentioned that it might not be sturdy enough for high traffic areas. But here's the thing, it's designed for flexibility. If you're using it in a low traffic space, you won't have to worry about it tipping over. This is perfect for those needing a portable divider in a home office or studio. Skip this if you need something heavy-duty for constant use. Overall, it's a good choice for occasional use and is quite affordable. If you're looking for a more stylish yet still functional divider, the final product might just be the ideal balance. Product number 5, Hoof Life Ceiling Track Curtain Set. We have the Hoof Life Ceiling Track Curtain Set, which is priced at $50.99. What caught my attention here is the flexibility of the tracks, allowing for creative installations. If you want something that truly divides a space while giving you light control, this is definitely worth considering. The high-quality curtain tracks let you create L-shaped or U-shaped installations, which means you can really maximize your area. With an opacity rating of 98%, it offers excellent light control while also providing privacy. This is great for those who need to adjust their environment, whether you're working from home or just want a cozy nook. Having sold over 500 units, it's clear people appreciate its versatility. One downside is that the installation might require a bit more effort than others on this list. But here's the thing. Once it's up, the versatility you gain is unmatched. If you're willing to put in a little work, you'll be rewarded with a really functional space divider. This is perfect for anyone looking to create unique spaces in their home or office. Skip this if you're not comfortable with the DIY installation, as it requires some understanding. For the price, you're getting a solid long-term solution for space management. So to wrap things up, we've looked at 5 fantastic room dividers that cater to different needs. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Sonali no-drill curtain rod because of its flexibility and ease of use for renters. On the other hand, I'd recommend avoiding the home screener folding room divider if you're looking for something that's permanently sturdy, as it's designed for portability.